The handle comes with the bolt already inserted into the handle. So let's first remove that. That hole in the handle will align with the post on the black brush body. Next, align the little notch in the black post with the slot in the green handle. The pieces fit together very tightly, so you have to push hard until the holes align and you can see through them. At that point, simply insert the little bolt through it and then tighten it back up with the screwdriver. Don't over tighten or you can damage the handle. Next, align the red lug nut cleaner frame to the handle post and only slide on part of the way. That's all you need. Next, align the 4 slots or openings in the sponge with the 4 flanges on the red lug nut cleaner. It helps to dip the sponge in soapy water so it slides on the red part more easily. Then simply insert the brush body into the black cover and there you go.